Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 464 different strategies, with 141 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 363 of the other strategies that we put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,062 indicators, with 443 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says this indicator predicts market bottoms with 99% accuracy. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. Now the indicator itself only recognizes market bottoms, or moves to the downside looking to reverse up. And so, as I said, market bottoms. Hence the source video saying that it predicts the market bottoms. And so in this particular case, we're only going to be looking for long trades and no short trades. And the indicator we have on screen that supposedly predicts the market bottoms with such accuracy is the CM Williams VIX Fix Finds Market Bottoms. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll keep it on the default settings. Now the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be your standard stochastic indicator. This is just the trading view built in stochastic. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we're going to jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is we are going to, in the inputs, change the K% to 5, K% length to 5, the K% smoothing to 3, and the D% smoothing to 3, and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when the stochastic indicator drops below the lower dashed lines. Let me just kind of bump this up like this here, make it a tad bit easier to see. And so it drops below this lower dashed line right here. And the actual stochastic line is the one we're looking for. So if we go in here, boom, 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 the %K is the one that we're looking for to drop to the downside, and then we're looking for it to cross back up above that dashed line. And when it does that, we want the VIX fixed indicator to have a green histogram bar like it does here. And so when those line up, that will be the signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right there. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this real steady climb to the upside here, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. This is going to put it at a 36% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So it's definitely not predicting the market bottoms with 99% accuracy, as the source video claims. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 41 trades altogether. We had 34 winning trades and 7 losing trades. That's going to put it at an 82% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $20,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate significantly? The total gain would have been closer to the $20,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we are still at winning trade number 70. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. That's 70 winning trades in a row using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. The market's just been a little unsteady at the moment, not really giving us good setups, and so it's been a little while since we've been able to take a trade. But in back testing, the combination did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. If you are interested in viewing that strategy or getting access to the indicator, just follow the links down below in the description. All right, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.